Hey strawberries, welcome back to another video. Today is a crazy one. We're gonna be, first of all, we're gonna be doing a inventory tour, and yeah, inventory tour. So these are all my pets. Feel free to offer. And that's all I'm gonna say for the pets wise, so. Also, there's a new scam going around, so be aware of that. I recently came across it yesterday when I wasn't filming. I should be filming for you guys, but like, yeah. So that's all. Hope you have a great day, strawberries, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.